In this video, I'll be showing you how you add watermarks to your Microsoft Word documents. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. So now let's do that. So we have this document we are working on, and let's say we want to add a watermark to it. So what you're going to do is we move to the design tab here. There's the design. So move to design, home, insert, draw, and you move to design. So at the page background here, you can see we have page color and we have watermark. Come to this section here. Just open that. You can add any of this: confidential, do not copy, draft, any of them. But then we want to add, let's say, a custom one, like a picture, something like that. So if you want a normal one, you choose any of these ones, do not copy and the rest. But then if you want something you customize yourself, just tap on the custom watermark, double tap on that. And first I said an image, right? So now let's select picture watermark here. So now we select the picture from our device, which is the PC. Yeah, we tap on the browse. Yeah, I think I have an image here. So let's use this shoe image here. Good. The scale, you can set the scale here and everything. And now we tap on the apply and we close it, and you can see in the background we have our shoe here. Simple and easy. To remove your watermark, tap on it like this. You see remove here, you remove it. Simple and easy. So that's it. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. Peace.